Hello, friends. You know what time it is? It's time for Mighty Minutes. All right, today's Mighty Minutes is what's inside the box. So you will need a box and an object of your choice. Now, you're going to put something in the box. It can be a box this size, or it can be a little bit bigger, whatever you have. And you're going to shake it and say, what do you think is in the box? And then say, why do you think that? And then think aloud about the size of the box and the noise the object makes. So, you could say, well, it's kind of a small box, so the object is probably going to be small. And it's kind of quiet when it rattles, so it might be something that is light. You draw on it. You use it in the art center, things like that. And since there is paper in here, that would be appropriate. So you would just give clues as your child continues to guess what is in the box. And then you can show just a little bit of the object before you show the whole object. Just kind of make it fun. Another thing you could do is sound out the name of the object and write it. So, if you had paper, you would sound it out, a purr, and kind of have them see if they could figure out what letters. You could give clues such as the first letter sound or a word that rhymes with the name of the item. So if you had a block, you could say that rhymes with the word rock or sock or clock, something like that. And then you could say the first letter sounds like B. Okay, so you could give those clues. Use things that they're familiar with, a small toy, something from the kitchen or the living room, something that they are familiar with. After they identify the object, give them directional clues as they look for more of that type of object. So you could say, find something beside the TV, or find this under the chair, or above the shelf. So give those directional words. You could also use three-dimensional shape terms to describe the shape, such as sphere, cube, prism, whatever the shape might be. Just use those three-dimensional shapes to describe it. I hope you enjoyed today's Mighty Minutes. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below, and I will see you on the next video.